Welcome, today we're going to show you how to verify Worldcoin account without Orb. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the World app as see from here. After that you need to actually log in to your account using your username, fingerprint or anything that you can use to log in into your World app. After you do so, you will see the screen. You need to click on the World ID section on the down right corner. I'll see from here. It's like a profile picture, so you can click on it. After you do so, you will see the option to verify your humanity. You can click on verify. After that, if you don't have an orb, the World app will detect that and will give you another option to verify without an orb. So you can actually click on the verify with an ID or something, the option that will pop up to you. After you do so, you will go to the screen. Now you need to click on agree and continue, and you need to add a picture of your ID or passport. You need to make that picture very clear, and also you will add a real-time photo of your face as see from here. After you do so, your Worldcoin app will be verified. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.